In this video, I'm going to show you how to load code on OneXBet. This is very easy. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I want to show you how to create a professional OneXBet account. To do that, click on registration, take the third option. Fill in your details correctly from your surname right down to your password. In the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code LEOTV. If you use the promo code LEOTV, OneXBet is going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $300. Once you're done, click on these three boxes and register your account. Now, let's continue. So, if you want to load the code on OneXBet, here's what to do. Now, a code is what you load to get the best sleep. So, if a friend of yours has shared you a code they want to load, all you have to do is come over here and click on load best sleep, and then go ahead and paste the code. As you paste the code, click on upload. Your code is going to be it's going to be loaded. Say this bed sleep includes invalid events, they will be excluded. So click on OK, and your code is going to be loaded, and you can go ahead and place your bet on it. And that's how to load a code in OneXBet.